Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Today I'm sharing with you bedroom plants ideas. Are you looking for bedroom decorating ideas that go to extra mile? House plant can do more than just bring a splash of green indoors. It turns out a famous 1989 NASA study found that such plants were able to reduce indoor air pollutant such as benzene and formaldehyde, at least in a controlled lab environment. More recent research says plants may make you feel less stressed, which is always welcome when it's time to catch some disease. So consider making your sleeping chambers a bit dreamier with these air purifying bedroom plants. If you are a pet parent, then you will want to check out our story, Pet Friendly House Plants You Can Grow Without Worry. On the list of bedroom plants that follows the plant that are considered non-toxic to cats and dogs by the ACPCA include lady palm, areca palm, Boston fern, spider plant, and rosemary. Avoid or keep the others out of reach. Kindly subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. It's not typically thought of as a house plant, but lavender can survive indoor under the right conditions. Along with air purifying qualities, lavender will also bring a aromatherapy benefits to the bedroom. Research shows that inhaling lavender essential oil can reduce blood pressure and heart rate. Kindly subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Press the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.